Alrighty, we are on Moonshine Mountain Coaster, also in Gatlinburg. Everyone off the parkway can see me right now. I wonder if this one's also like a couple different lifts, or if it's kind of just one big lift hill, or what the deal is on this one. Oh, we got a big lift here. Here comes someone going pretty quick. This one's gonna be fun, I feel like. Now the guy told me to not, if I see a slow down sign, to not actually slow down until it starts to slow me down itself. I think he wants me to get airtime on a hill at the bottom. I'm not sure though. But you really go in the woods on this one. If you look, I know I might have to fix the color coding on this one a little bit, but we're like way back in the woods here. Like the other ones kind of felt this kind of cleared out around the coaster, but this one, you truly are back here a little ways. Okay, we got another lift. That's cool. We got another lift. Oh wow, man, yeah, we got a lot more hill to go. I think this one might be a little more themed than the others. I'm not sure. They got lights though, which I think those are more apparent at night than anything else. This lift was a little steep. They've all been kind of steep. I mean, I guess it's kind of normal on these. I don't know. I guess at this booth here is where I take control. Got a camera next to me here. Got a camera recording me as well. What's up? All right. I think this is our stop. Push lever now. All right.
Please push your handles forward to go.
All right. Make our way down the hill. Do not bump. Hopefully I don't have to slow down for anyone up here. All right, a little bit of speed. Not bad so far. Maybe we'll get a little bit of more speed here. Woo, there we go. Now we're picking up. Woo-wee. Woo! All right. Camera ahead. Hey! All right. Woo! Uh-huh. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, here's the curve. Woo! All right. I think we're towards the bottom here. And that is it for us. Pretty short but sweet. Alrighty.
Buck flags to the right, step on out.
Don't leave just yet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do if you like content like this. If you've already subscribed, the next video is going to be really awesome and going out on my birthday. So you should be excited for that because I definitely am. That video is going to be awesome. We got some more videos coming out for the rest of the year. They're going to be even more crazy, from trips and more mountain coaster POVs, and I'm going to film coaster cooking. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. So subscribe, turn post notifications on, all that fun jazz, and I'll see you in the next Thrill Stop video. Thrill Stop out, never stop party rocking, all that fun stuff.